Hello guys, welcome back again to my English comprehension lesson. We're going to be going over two more brand new English vocabulary words for you to learn. These two words I'm talking about is adapt and adopt. But as always guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. As always, it will be greatly appreciated. So let's look at the first word, adapt. Adapt. We must adapt to things that we don't completely understand. Normally we adapt when something new is coming into our lives, a change in a job. We have to adapt from the old way we were doing things to the new way we're doing things. I think we all have been through that, especially if you've had more than one job in your life. You work at a place, you get used to things, doing things your way, doing things the way that you were originally taught. And then you're taken out of that environment and you're putting a new environment, a new job, a new occupation, and you have to go through that learning curve again. So right there you are adapting. You are adapting to that new environment. So let's use this word in a sentence. Adapt. We must adapt to learning a new language. Now let's look at the word adopt. Adopt is when you are bringing a new person into your life. You're adopting a child. You're adopting a teenager. And sometimes we even adopt adults, don't we? We bring adults into our homes and we take them in. But the legal version of adopt, you have to go through a legal process to adopt a child. You have to get a lawyer and go through, so much paperwork and criminal background investigations and all this to adopt a child. And let's use this word adopt in a sentence. My husband and I want to adopt a brand new baby. Did you understand those two brand new vocabulary words, guys? Adapt and adopt. Put these two words in practice. As I always say, you must practice what you learn in order to have it soak into your brain so you'll never forget it. Use it in practice. Use it in a sentence. Speak with someone about this. Mix it up with your own language if you like, but practice these words all the time, okay? And don't forget to see my next video. I am doing a series on vocabulary words, especially for beginners. In order to learn English, you must learn a lot of vocabulary words first, especially the basics. But in this example, we're talking about adapt and adopt. Take care, guys. Don't forget to watch the next video. It's going to be very exciting. We'll continue with these brand new vocabulary words that you should know in English. Have a great day, guys.